Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to slide in Figma. We'll dive into creating dynamic, interactive horizontal scrolling experiences. You'll learn to set up your design frames, connect them with prototyping tools, and apply Smart Animate for incredibly smooth transitions. This full guide will help you master the essential techniques for bringing your designs to life with engaging slide interactions, making your prototypes feel polished and professional. First, let's prepare your design frames. Begin by creating several frames, each acting as a single slide in your sequence. It's crucial that all these frames have the exact same width and height to ensure a smooth transition between them. Carefully place your content within each frame, maintaining consistent alignment. Grouping related elements, like text and images, within each frame will simplify the animation process significantly. Now, let's add the interactive sliding. Navigate to the Prototype tab and draw a connection from your first frame to the next. For the interaction details, select on drag as the trigger, allowing users to swipe. Crucially, choose Smart Animate for the animation type. This creates a beautiful, interpolated transition. You can set the animation duration to about 300 milliseconds for a quick yet smooth feel, enhancing the user experience. Finally, it's time to test and refine your sliding prototype. Open your design in presentation mode to experience the interaction firsthand. Pay close attention to how smoothly the slides transition. Look for any jarring movements or misalignments. You might want to experiment with different easing options within Smart Animate, such as ease out or ease in and out, to achieve a more natural and polished feel. Share your work to gather valuable feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.